Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Welcome to MasterCadx. Today we are going to discuss it is assembly. For the assembly, go to new command and it is a command called standard. I am created. Okay. First, save the file. The file name is Plummber. Assembly. Save this. Now, place the first material. That material is the casting. The first part we have to call. Okay, the first part will be grounded, we know that. So next part, in this part it will come to the brass material. You can see this part. So we have to call the next part, it is a brass material. Open. So now how to make it an assembly for this one? So this axis and this axis should be same. First you have to make it that one. Okay. Next we call over here. Now this part will be assembled to the over here. It is constraint. So this axis and this axis will be same. Now the next one, this face will be, because now what happened, the part will be, you can see this one, a part will be constrained on this axis. I have to insert this part to inside of this hole. For that one, constraint, I have to go to the axis. So this face to this face. So there is a constraint problem. So now this face to this face. Okay, now it will be joint. So now is a complete, your part is assembly or done now. You can see that we don't movable because it is a symbol, it will come, it is a completely constantly occur. Now call the next part, which is called it is a cap. Open, place over there. Now first you have to make it the axis to axis should be same. The first constraint, this axis will be, and this axis is same. Okay, similarly, so see this is rotate like this. So same opposite will be, how to axis should be constraint. Now it will be up and down direction. I have to say that the student are making the mistake that they making the constraint on this face to over here. It is completely wrong, because there is a, if you constraint like this, then a object will be, if you go to the view command and changes to wireframe, you can see this part will completely go to inside to the process. There is a should be gap should be over there. Okay, so view wireframe. So next I will call the cap part. Place that cap part. Okay, making the assembly properly. So for that one, the first one is constraint this axis to first one, apply. Now you can see that cap will be rotated, so you have to make it this hole, and this hole should be constraint. Okay, so next one, so the student are making machine, they making the constraint the face to face. Okay, and they are applying again, but this is a wrong procedure, so you have to do it in a such a way that, so how to identify it is a wrong procedure? If you convert into the wireframe modeling, you can see that the part will be put inside to the process. So this is a wrong method. So for that one, I'll convert this one to solid modeling, and I'll remove this. It is the last which I done. It is a assembly. Okay, so now you have to see that the constraint on this face is to it will up to the this face. Okay, so this is the exactly assembly order. You see the view command, you can see that exactly constraint is done now. Okay, now the next one, the next part it will come, it is a nut or bolt. So we'll call the bolt part. Two bolt I will call over here, so to required. So now first I will go to the constraint this axis to over here. Next I will do this face to this face. Okay, apply, and similarly it will be a rectangle. How to change? Okay, it's very difficult to making it is a like this. So this is your next another one, this part 2. Here apply, next face to face. Now the next one is nut, call the nut part. Two nuts are the constraint of this two. Here apply, next this face to go to over up to over here. Similarly this face to here, next this face to bottom here. Now the last part we call it is a knock nut. Place the part, knock nut, open, and the constraint, apply. Similarly constraint a knock nut. Similarly, you have to take face to face. This face will be the same thing. This face will be concerned to origin. Okay, so this is a final assembly of your diagram. Thank you for watching. In next class we are going to discuss how to draft of the given assembly part.